Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you with another breaking news. Shortly after Parampal Kaur, IAS, who joined Bharatiya Janata Party with an aim to contest the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, a big blow has come to her way from Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann, who has denied that the Punjab government has not accepted her resignations. Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann tweeted about it on social media, stating that his government has not yet accepted resignation of IAS Parampal Kaur, who has today joined Bharatiya Janata Party. Let me tell you, Parampal is daughter-in-law of former cabinet minister and Akali leader Sikandar Singh Maluke, who has had close association with Shromani Akali Dal, but however today his only son Gurpreet Singh Maluka and daughter-in-law Parampal Kaur Maluka today joined Bharatiya Janata Party with a vision to contest Lok Sabha elections from the Lok Sabha constituency of Bathinda against Shromani Akali Dal's Harsimrat Kaur Badal. Let me drive you through more details. Shortly after Parampal Kaur joined the Bharatiya Janata Party, Chief Minister of Punjab Bhagwant Mann took it to the social media X and said, Parampal Kaur ji IAS अफिसर ਦੇ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਅਸਤੀਫਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਮਨਜ਼ੂਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ। ਬੀਬਾ ਜੀ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਕਾਲੀ IAS ਬਣਨ ਦੀ ਸੀ ਛੱਡਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਤੌਰ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨੇ, ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਅਸਤੀਫਾ ਦੇਣ ਦੇ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਸਮਝੋ, नहीं तो सारी उम्र की कमाई खतरे च पै सकती है। This tweet comes after Maluke's daughter-in-law joined Bharatiya Janata Party, eyeing to contest elections of the upcoming Lok Sabha elections from Bathinda constituency. In the tweet, Bhagwant Mann has warned Parampal Kaur to resign in a proper way and that her resignation has not been accepted so far by the Punjab government and that she should understand how the resignations work and otherwise lifelong earnings are at stake. Parampal Kaur Sidhu, the daughter-in-law of former Shromani Akali Dal minister Sikandar Singh Maluka, today joined by BJP in presence of union ministers like Hardeep Singh Puri and is likely to be fielded from Lok Sabha seat. Rohan Gupta, former head of the Congress social media department, party spokesperson and confidant of late Congress veteran Ahmed Patel, also quitted the Congress to join BJP today. Gupta had earlier pulled out of the race for Lok Sabha election in Ahmedabad East, where the Congress had fielded him. Parampal's BJP foray has intrigued observers in Punjab as her father-in-law, the former Punjab education minister, is and still active member of Shromani Akali Dal and part of the manifesto committee of Akali Dal ahead of the general elections of 2024. He is also involved in arranging poll rallies of sitting Bathinda MP Harsimrat Kaur Badal, who will defend her seat. BJP has been struggling to find candidate in Bathinda ever since Manpreet Badal's health deteriorated. BJP is fighting Lok Sabha election alone in Punjab for the first time since 1998. All these years it stayed in alliance with Akali Dal. BJP has so far declared 6 out of 13 Punjab Lok Sabha candidates. Punjab is set to vote in the last phase on June 1 with counting slated for June 4. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned to the Savera.